Hello everyone, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side. Now twist one section over the other as such. Continue to do this and then join it to a section on the right side. Tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Now take a section of the hair from the right side, divide it into two parts, begin to twist one over the other. Join it to a section on the left side and roll the hair in on itself. Now once again repeat this step and then do it another time. Continue to do so about 2 or 3 more times or as much as you desire. We are twisting it one on top of the other and then we are joining it with a section on the other side. Now after you are done with all of your sets, then you may add a decorative pin on top of it all. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Tie a rubber band to a small section of this ponytail. Now take 2 sections of the hair from either side. Tie it in front of the middle section you've created. Now continue to do this until you reach the bottom, and then this is what you should be left with. Using your fingers, loosen the sides of this braid and then do this until you reach the bottom. Once you reach the bottom, this should add more volume to the braid altogether. Tie a rubber band at the bottom and fasten it in its place. Next, start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, quite literally, and then afterwards join it to a section of the hair on the left side, where you begin to make a braid and include more and more sections of the hair from the left side into this braid. Once you reach the midsection, you may make a normal braid out of it. Taking the other side of the knot that you have taken, begin to make a braid out of this as well, and include more and more sections of the hair from the right side into this braid. Join the 2 braids together at the back and then tie a decorative rubber band on top of it. Next, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side, begin to make a braid out of it and using your fingers loosen one side of it as such. Now afterwards, tie a rubber band to the bottom of it. Make another section right underneath it. Now make a third section as well. Now after this, take a section of the hair from the right side and then join it to the braid. Now do this for all 3 of the braids. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now pull the second section through the first as such and twist it. Next, take the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back. Now after this, twist one into the other as such and then insert it into place. Using your fingers, loosen some sections of the hair at the scalp. This will add more volume to it. Do this all throughout and then once you're done with this, tie a low ponytail gathering the rest of the hair together. Tie a rubber band in the middle of your low ponytail and then afterwards roll the hair in on itself through the middle section. Afterwards, pull out the sides once again using your fingers. After this, twist it upwards and then fasten it in place by tying the hair around and then knotting it up. Use bobby pins to fasten it in its place behind and then once again pull out sections of it using your fingers in order to add more volume to it. Now start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side once again, tie it up at the back right underneath the first section and roll the hair in on itself through the section. Once again repeat the step and then repeat the step until you reach the bottom. Continue to do so and then go lower and lower as you do so. Once you reach the base of it, you may just take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Continue to do this until the bottom and then tie a little braid at the bottom and roll it up and tie it up in place. You may do this using a rubber band or a pin as well. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, quite literally make a knot out of it. Now, once you pull the section of the hair through, join it at the base and add a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side and then once again tie another knot right underneath this. Once again add a rubber band to the base of it. Thank you for watching.